Alrighty, Curtis, here's your 347 small block Ford gear description. It's a combination of our ass cast heads, Holley manifold. It's got the Holley Terminator X system, custom grind hydraulic roller, got the front sump oil pan. When we make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Yoke 3400, 395 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 424, peak horsepower 458. So everything's good. We'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things here. See if your engine find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. In your engine packet, you'll have this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend watching or reading all this information. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Have a great day.